Hello. Today I filmed the review of Blackbox A330. It is, in my opinion, really I don't know like big. I think is really bad Airbus, but it's my opinion, man. So today I show you with tutorial how to fly, guys. Okay, so it's like a review tutorial. So you like 50% power, and then you press toga like that, and you just wait now. I don't know what that sound is, guys. So I just talk about for a second what I think of Blackbox. Myself is very bad company. They make the Airbus, but they also make really bad Cessna and Bulldog, but nobody care about Bulldog. Okay? Sorry guys, I have really illness. As you can see, we are 80 knots now. This is 100 knot V1 rotate. Whoa, as you can see, flight dynamics are very bad. It's like flying a bar of brick. It's like flying the brick. If you are like a builder like me, you are like builder, you know it is like flying brick. Mr. Graham Waterfield, he is very stupid, man. He makes the company Blackbox. He's really stupid. I don't like him, man. So we go autopilot. Get up. I don't know why we're not climbing, man. As you can see on the FMA, nothing is working. It should be nav, altitude, and vertical speed, but it is not. Is good. As you can see, it says heading, but it no go heading. It just fly in straight line. Very bad plane. As you can see from wing view, we are going to London Gatwick. This plane is very loud, my friend. Maybe it should shut up a bit, like Graham Waterfield from Blackbox. Maybe I hope he be quiet. Why is accelerating? We have auto throttle. It is accelerating. It's very bad plane. Very bad. Okay, so is long flight to Gatwick, so we go 8 times speed. Oh, as you can see, Mr. Graham Blackbox, he only like go 4 speed. Now, that is because he is 42 years old, probably. Oh man, it's such a bad add-on. It goes bing. Shut up, man. Nahoy. Okay, we are now heading towards Gatwick.
2,500.
As you can see on the computer, is EGK. Okay, we go to EGKK.
Terrain.
Oh, shut up, my friend, Lineahoi. Suka! Guys, do not buy this add-on. Is very bad. I give it a 1 out of 2. 1 out of 2 for grade. Okay, we take a flaps full, a speed brake armed, and the gear down. We also arm the auto brakes. Oh, they won't go on, man. I think I have Ebola. So, as you can see, is A330. That is also include A340, but the A340 is really bad. The A340 is like slightly better, but it's still really awful, man. The A340 is like getting shot in the arm. The A330 is like getting shot in the foot. We turn on landing lights and the strobe and the taxi. One cool feature, you can actually turn off the fuel pump and it has no effect. Very realistic flight plane. You see, we have no fuel pump and engines are 100% working. As you know, if you fly the real Airbus, this is 100% correct. Oh shit. Oh, we've actually simulated that, lol. We need to turn on the fuel pump Pirinos now again, because it make a crash. Is not like real life. In real life, when you turn off the fuel pump make not engine off. Make engine not off. I'm sorry, my English is not very good. I'm from Uzbekistan. So we just making approach now. As you can see, Gatwick.
Sync rate.
I think we're gonna crash, man. Okay, we do emergency procedure. This is called it's called I don't know, man. Okay.
Terrain.
So we're making approach now into Gatwick.
Terrain.
Runway 26 left. I'm sorry, guys. I cannot fly very well. I broke my joystick. I have used now only Xbox controller. I cannot fly very well. As you can see, we are doing 180 knots. We should be able to fly, and because Blackbox is so bad, we cannot. We crash into ground. So I stop here. It's waste of my time, man. So, in conclusion, Blackbox very bad, very unrealistic. I think if you get it, you are retard, man. It's very stupid, man. I did not get it myself. My friend got it for me. Okay, thanks for watching. Goodbye.